Jasmy by and large acquired around 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, or so they basically thought. The EMA 50 for the most part is right now at $0.007 by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is floating at $87,003,429 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy in every way that really matters has its kind of next obstruction at $0.006 in an especially enormous manner. 12 February 2024. In this video we'll really walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues, facts. What truly is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense is Jasmy a kind of wise venture, which in every practical sense is very huge. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth in a by and large huge manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, basically let us for the most part discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they by and large thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there by and large, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,786,952,369,650, showing that Jasmy especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $45,892,662,127, which truly shows that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that Jasmy explicitly has its essentially next obstruction at $0.006 incredibly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period, fundamentally further appearance how market investigation over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,786,952,369,650. Showing that Jasmy essentially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, or so they all things considered, thought. Sold the especially local coin of Solana in every practical sense is somewhere near 5 and right now exchanging at $104.74, showing how Jasmy for the most part acquired around 4.08% inside the in every practical sense most recent 24 hours in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, which certainly shows that Jasmy generally has its genuinely next opposition at $0.006, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions in a real sense show that the market sort of is going in a very descending heading for in every practical sense, present moment, so Jasmy explicitly has its sort of next obstruction at $0.006, which sort of is genuinely huge. As of now, a very broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters become kind of more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving most certainly higher in a quite enormous manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The especially current Jasmy coin cost for the most part is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. Presently, Jasmy sort of is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, so 12 February 2024. In this video we'll especially walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, basically clarified some things, facts. What generally will be by and large momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, certainly is Jasmy a wise speculation, or so they truly thought. Jasmy coin value investigation. Jasmy cost examination for 12 February 2024, inside a sort of day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of underneath, exhibiting how market examination over the last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,786,952,369,650. Showing that Jasmy truly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, showing that at present, Jasmy basically is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, so 12 February 2024. In this video we'll by and large walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, clarified pressing issues, facts, what generally is especially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense, is Jasmy a very wise venture, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The MACD line by and large is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, showing how sold the sort of local coin of Solana certainly is somewhere near 5 and at present exchanging at $104.74, exhibiting how Jasmy generally acquired roughly 4.08% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33,